What did I buy? What did I do? Freaking bought this Snap-on box. It's a KRL722. Gonna do a quick tour. This is my top drawer. All my sockets and my drive tools. I'm gonna do a later video on these guys. Some of my favorite tools. This is my wrench drawer, and then my drive and driven drawer. These are my T-handles, the T-handle drawer, and then I've got my Allens on the side, and then a couple bit drivers, or bits, sorry. Then I also have my screwdriver drawer. It's kind of empty right now. Then my bigger wrenches. This is my air drawer. I've got 3/8 Mac air gun, and then I've got the 1/2 inch Husky one, and then I've got my blow tool, air hammer, and then I have a die grinder around here somewhere. Bottom drawer, kind of an empty drawer. I've got gloves and drill bits. Just kind of still trying to organize. I've got my compression tester in there, and then my hoodie. Some chisels, Harbor Freight X-Acto knife set. Wrench drawer. Junk drawer slash electrical drawer. And that's it. So, not quite full, but working on it.